Most of the time, when a smartphone like the Samsung Galaxy A20 turns off by itself and won't turn on, it's just due to a minor firmware issue, contrary to what many think that it's a hardware problem. In other words, this kind of issue can be fixed and you really don't have to bring the device back to the store or local shop to get a tech to check it for you. Hey guys, this is RJ from thecellguide.com. In this video, I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A20 that turns off by itself and won't turn on. First solution, perform the forced restart to fix phone that won't turn on. A forced restart is a simulated battery removal. It will force the phone to turn off completely as if the battery is pulled out, and then force it to boot up. Most of the time, this is the only thing you need to do if your phone crashes or won't turn on. To do it, press and hold the volume down and power button at the same time for a few seconds. If the Samsung logo appears, release both buttons. If you've gone as far as the logo, or if the phone vibrates and shows the logo, then it means that the problem is already fixed as it already responded. Most of the time, this will result to a successful boot. If not, then proceed to the next step. Second solution, charge your phone and do the forced restart. It is possible that the battery has been completely drained. While it's not really a problem, there are times when a simple battery drain would lead to a system crash. It's because some services and components may not be shut down properly. So the firmware may crash just before the phone runs out of battery. So, to fix it, plug the charger to a working wall outlet. And use the original charger and connect it to your device. Charge your device for at least 10 minutes or more, to make sure it has enough power to turn on the device. After that, force reboot your device by doing the same procedure as the first one, and see what happens. If you were able to make your phone respond again, but the problem occurs from time to time, then you will have to reset the phone, as it's a clear indication that there's a problem with the firmware. Make sure to create a backup of your files and then remove your Google and Samsung accounts so that you won't be locked out. That's it. We hope this video is helpful to you, and resolve your device's issue. Please don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Samsung Galaxy A20 videos in the future.